done. So in this demo, I'll walk through to the assignment that I have made, which is a tone slider text tool, which is made in Next.js that will adjust your text tone with a draggable grid with AI. Before the demo, I will be showing you the architecture, high-level architecture of what I implemented here. So for the text stack, I have used this Next.js for the client code, and also for APIs also I have used Next.js API routes, and for components I use Radix UI for seamless component directly import using the seamless components, and for state management I use Dustland library. To persist the data I use local storage, and for getting the tone adjustment text I use Mistral API. So this is the project structure. This is API layer where we'll handle all the calls related to the Mistral AI, and this is the main folder. Tone controller grid has a main UI code, and regarding the state management, we have a store folder. Inside it, we are doing the state management. I have choose Dustland plus local storage here because it is simpler than Redux, and also less boilerplate for undo and redo, and also saving the history. So this store will be storing the input text and the output text, and also tones array, the weightage and the tones, and history is been stored in the local storage. I will show you a quick demo of how it is working. I will get the text, input text, pasting it, and I'll adjust the tone to expandable and casual, and also add the loading state while fetching a API, and add the toast which will give for good efficient error handling. Now I will try to change the tone to professional expandable and adjust it. Yeah, so it has been changed. So, and also here there is a redo, undo and redo functionality, and based on the undo redo the cursor is also getting changed here. So here I have used local storage to persistent across the sessions. So if I reload it, also I will getting the input and the output here. To reset it, I need to do this reset button, which will clear all the text from the local storage. So this was my demo. Here I have made error handling and edge cases I covered all. For error handling in API, to handle API errors I have done in try catch, and also on failure I will be showing a toast that failed to adjust the text tone, and a basic input validation has been also done here. Minimum length should be there before calling an API call, and button will be disabled. And there are edge cases that are also covered in adjusting the grid, and also loading state spinners will be displayed whenever there is an API call. Yeah, so thank you. This was my demo.